I can draw the sun with the stars and the moon. I can draw anything. How about you?
Ready, set, draw!
Hi, my name's Roxie Munro and I write and illustrate children's books. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a great horned owl like you would find in my book called Hatch. Ready, set, draw. So first we're going to start with the eyes. So we're going to draw a pupil of an eye here, and we're going to draw one here, and then this is going to be the big part of the eye. Next thing, we're going to make the horns on the guy. So we come over, and they're actually not horns, they're actually just tufts of feathers. Now we're going to draw his little fat face, and now they have very flat little beaks. We're going to draw the beaks, and then they have like a little mustachy thing. And now we're going to draw his shoulders. They're not actually shoulders, they're actually his wings. But next we have to draw the branch. This guy is sitting on a branch. And I don't know if you know that owls are called raptors, and they have talons. So we're going to draw his talons sitting here. He's sitting on this branch. We're going to draw a couple of talons. And here's the branch. And now we're going to come down. And then we're going to draw his tail. And then we're going to draw the little edge of his wings. And here's his wings. Got a little fat tummy here. Now we're going to have fun, and we're going to start doing the color. First, we come around with orange. Owls have orange. Their eyes are very big and very bright. Big orange eyes. Next, we're going to put yellow in the eyes. Make them a little stronger. Make our eyes a little bit stronger here. And now we're going to start doing the feathers. Put little shadows in here. So we're going to start putting feathers all over our guy, right? Because he's got feathers. Down here where his wings are. I'm going to put a few feathers in his tail. Up here, lots of feathers. Now they usually have a black little beak. There's his little beak, and you know when you look at an owl from the side, he's got a very flat face. And then we're going to put his talons. We're going to make his black talons down here. Very, very strong feet and very, very strong talons. Now we're going to put some brown in, because our owl is brown. I'm going to use another brown. So we're adding little shadows here and there on our owl. Here's his tail coming down. Now we're going to make his branch, make the branch. Now we're going to color in the branch. Add a few more feathers, because we know he's got lots of feathers, some shadows. Feathers are curvy little lines. You just make a lot of little details here for the feathers. And we're going to add a little shadow down here. Here his tail comes down. And now we're going to add his chest feathers. So, and then they have a really kind of cool pattern of brown along. So it starts like this. Pattern of feathers on his chest. Deepen the shadows a little bit here and there to make them pop out. You can use pencil or magic marker on this and add lots of feathers. The little patterns are the feathers. Define the tail. You can make the tail, define the tail. Make your lines strong. And of course, owls have a very expressive face, funny little beak. So this is my great horned owl. Maybe it'd be cool if you could do a great horned owl too, and find out how to share it with us in the post below.